Okay, everyone, this is the final individual project, and this project requires we select the one dataset from the CDC and related to healthy care. This is dataset I select the United States COVID-19 cases and deaths by the state over time and for things, we need downloading the ASV file, the data file, and into a local direction. I already did that, so I skipped this. And this dataset basically contains um, each day the new cases confirm the cumulative cases of the COVID-19 for each state and the new deaths and the cumulative total deaths number of each state. And okay, this is the code I have, and the target is also to generate the visualized data autogram. And the first section is import the libraries, is including the plots, numeric Python, and the Panda, and the thickness. This one is easy to synchronize the extra files titles, and this df is named as location and direction for the file and the United States COVID-19 cases and deaths by the state over time, and the inputs the raw data and the inputs the targets the data we need and create an at list and to plug in here we want to have the selecting the data states, and once you select the dates, they will automatically the consequences graph, and in graph we have the four. The each graph is for the code level is pretty similar. The only difference is one is generates the total cases to day by day, and the new cases for each day, and the for the cumulative this line chart, and for the each day's new cases is the column chart, and the same things for the new cases of death and the cumulative death. Here it should be the total deaths. Okay, and here we go, and that's it. And once you got and give the columns and let me to running this. Okay, in here you request to enter the states. For example, we enter the California and come in. The first graph we generate the day by day, and from the first day of the data chart is January and until the recently, and each column separates the 50 days, and the say total cases is already over than the 7, yeah, it's already 700,000, and for the each day, so you can from the each day, so for the maximum day, you can over the 12,000, and they actually decreasing, and this is the cumulative, the total death, and total death is definitely increasing, and then the constant space overall look like, and if we check this each day, it looks like that, and they definitely not only outputs each state as I said, the dataset contains all the states of this United States, and for example, in here we want to check in the New York, and running this. New York, they have the different shape of that, and initially, as we know, it's increasing super fast, and in here, they actually, due to the certain criteria, the data set have the negative, so they reduce that, and overall the numbers increasing, and how they have the spike and totally, and they decreasing because in here they counted down. And same things, they removed some cases because the data set has some errors. That's not we expect. And the one last one, we want to try the another state like the Pennsylvania. Okay, this is Pennsylvania, the first graph. the second graph, third graph, the total deaths, and the last one should be the day by day. Yeah, they also have this number of justification of total deaths, and this is the data we have and the final project I have.